the Eldi Oil Sunbathing Therapy. Step 1. Set up your sunspot. Be sure to prepare your setting before you put the oil on. You don't want to be walking around the house gathering everything while you're covered in oil. Recommended items include a nutritious beverage, a towel to lay on or sit on, sunglasses, your phone, remember to turn it to airplane mode when it's close to you, and headphones, speakers to listen to downloaded music, podcasts, or an audiobook you enjoy. Put items in a box or bag so you don't have to make multiple trips. Step 2. Prepare to be oily. This is a multi-stage process, and the process will be filled with so much more ease if you prepare for each stage ahead of time. After you soak in the sun, you will need to take 2 showers with a rest period in between. This means you will want 2 more clean towels. You will also want to decide how you want to spend the 10 to 15 minute break between the showers, as well as what you want to wear since you will be slightly oily. Do you have an easy wash robe? Do you want to stay in your wet towel while you wait? Step 3. Apply Eldi oil to entire body. Rub the oil all over, focusing a little more on the shoulders, armpits, and groin area where lots of lymphatic vessels are present, as well as the problem areas, such as the breast, stomach, liver, etc. Wash off the palms of your hands before you head to your sunspot to make doorknobs and water glasses easier. Step 4. Soak in the sun for 15 to 20 minutes. Morning and or evening sun is best. You don't want to bake in the full heat of the sun. The research doesn't specify whether to flip sides or not, but we think it makes most sense to lie on your back the whole time. If you don't have a private yard you feel comfortable sunbathing in, consider asking a close friend or family member who does have one if you can come over to do this therapy. You may also be able to do it at your local YMCA if they have a pool area. Step 5. Rinse off. After you soak in the sun, rinse off in the shower without soap. The warm water will open the pores so the Eldi oil can penetrate the skin even more deeply. After a few minutes, pat yourself dry and take a 10 to 15 minute break. Snack time maybe? After this, take another shower and actually wash off the oil with an all-natural soap so that your clothes and sheets don't get overly dirty. Allow yourself to rest about 15 to 20 minutes after completing this therapy. You've earned it.